सब करना चाहते थे लेकिन कर नहीं पाए थे। आज इनकी आंखों से इस जीत का जश्न मनाएंगे, इनके साथ हर वो पल हम बिताएंगे जिस पल में लिखा था कि आज तिरंगा लहराएगा। ये भारतीय टीम है, आप जश्न मनाइए क्योंकि भारतीय की बेटियों ने अब हमें वो गर्व महसूस करवाया है। हरमनप्रीत, स्मृति मानधना, जेमिमा रॉड्रिक्स, क्रांति गौड़, स्नेह राणा, राधा यादव, मत भूलिए प्रतिका रावल के उस एफर्ट को, उस कंट्रीब्यूशन को। फिलहाल अभी चोट के कारण इस टीम का हिस्सा नहीं है लेकिन बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा रहा है इस विश्व कप में उनका। आज जीवा पाटिल में वो नीली जर्सी में पूरा स्टेडियम खचाखच भरा है। आज जीत का कलर नीला है आकाश।
I think I'm absolutely spellbound. क्या बोलूँ मैं I'm very much emotional and I know what's gone through to everyone. जो लोग हम लोग एक साथ खेले थे, जो इस कॉम्बॉक्स के उस साइड एंड इस साइड में है, सबके साथ we have been there but not able to cross that final line. But these girls, Harman, स्मृति, दीप्ति, रीचा, स्नेह राणा, जेमी, सबने प्रूव करके दिखाया जो ये फाइनल लैप वो लोग कर सकते हैं एंड वी आर प्राउड ऑफ देम। ये जो चीज उन्होंने करके दिखाया वुमेन्स क्रिकेट की हिस्ट्री में, ये नाम गोल्डन वर्ड से लिखा जाएगा। ये टीम पहला वर्ल्ड कप लेके आया 2025 में इंडिया में, मुंबई में, एंड इनको हम कभी नहीं भूल सकते। एंड सैल्यूट टू एवरीवन, सैल्यूट टू कोचिंग स्टाफ जिन्होंने जो सैक्रिफाइस किया, जिन्होंने जितना भी क्रिटिसाइज किया गया था इन टीम को, जितना लोगों ने बहुत कुछ बोला था, बट एक दिस सपोर्ट स्टाफ इनको हमेशा बैक किया था। आज उनका ये रिजल्ट है, इसलिए टीम आज जीत पाई थी। एंड इसलिए डेफिनेटली all support staff including Mashio, physio, trainer, doctor, everyone, सबके लिए hats off. I'm very much emotional at this moment. I'm so sorry.
जो सपना हम सब ने देखा था आज इन्होंने पूरी करी है एंड जिस इंटेंट से खेली है, जहाँ पे पीक करनी थी राइट टाइम में ये टीम पीक करी है। काफ़ी सारे सवाल किए थे, काफ़ी सारे क्रिटिसिज्म भी हुए थे बीच लीग में, बट यहाँ पे आके दिखाई है जो इंटेंट इनकी है। अमनजोत से पूछते हैं अभी।
African captain Laura Volpon. I know you're emotional, but do you realise how important that moment was?
Everyone playing knew how important that catch was. I guess from the first time ever in my life, glad I got that second chance to take that catch. That's all. I don't have words to express.
You are a world champion, Amanjot. It's been such a recovery from where you were to where you are in a year. What does this mean to you?
This means a lot. You can see the crowd cheering all around. We have created history, and this is just starting. Indian cricket is going to be at next level. We are going to dominate all over the world in every format.
Your family has supported you. They have made so many sacrifices. What's your message to your family? Everyone is watching around India and around the world.
Congrats to everyone around here, my family, my coaches, everyone has a family here. While sitting at home and watching because my grandma is not well, but glad we could do it where it mattered the most. That's all.
What an incredible crowd here at DY Patil, with so many watching around India. This support has really taken your team across the line here at the World Cup.
I think it's their victory as well because they came in huge numbers to support us. Thank you, Mumbai. This is for you. This is for everyone. This is for Pratika, who missed out due to an injury. I know how it feels when you have to miss out a match due to injury. And Hajji sir said not everything is good, but there's good in everything. So I'm very grateful.
Congratulations. Let's get to Jatin. He's got Richard Ghosh with it.
At the stroke of midnight, the Indian women's cricket team have made their own tryst with destiny. Richa Ghosh alongside me. The team is so much richer to have you, Richa. पहला विश्व कप 10 खिलाड़ी जो पहली बार खेल रहे हैं, क्या बहुत जल्द है ये पूछना कि मायने क्या है इस जीत के, क्या विश्वास हो चुका है?
I think ये जो हम जीते हैं बहुत मायने, क्योंकि बहुत टाइम से हम वेट कर रहे हैं इस वर्ल्ड कप के लिए कि जब कब हम ट्रॉफी उठाएंगे, एंड आज वो दिन पूरा हो गया कि हम ट्रॉफी ले रहे हैं। We
ये इमोशंस का बहुत बड़ा खेल रहा है इस टीम में, क्योंकि कई खिलाड़ी हैं जिन्होंने बहुत सालों से अटेम्प्ट किया है। आज जब टीम उतरी थी कुछ घंटों के इंतजार के बाद, तो वो अल्टीमेट मोटो क्या था, वो हडल में एक दूसरे के लिए क्या बात की थी?
आई थिंक हडल में हम यही था कि लाइक आज लास्ट एक और दिन है कि मैच खेलना है, तो जो है अपने में आज पूरा दे दे, जो भी होगा लाइक बॉडी फैलेंगे, जो भी लाइक बाउंड्री लाइन्स में चौका रोकना है, जैसे भी पूरा जान लगा देना है। तो आज वही मोटो था कि जो भी है आज का दिन में दे दो।
जब आप बैटिंग करने आए थे उस समय एक बड़ी फिनिश की आवश्यकता थी। अभी शुरुआती दौर ही है, ऋचा घोष ने अभी पहले कुछ साल रखे इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट में, कैसे इतना मुश्किल रोल जो है आज इस फाइनल में उस दबाव को सोख के आपने वो बड़ी फिनिश देने की कोशिश की, क्या वो अलग वो दबाव फाइनल का महसूस हुआ?
फाइनल का ऑब्वियसली प्रेशर रहता है क्योंकि इतने क्राउड्स रहते हैं, फैंस रहते हैं, एंड बट इस मौके में मैंने अपना अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस किया, वो मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है क्योंकि लाइक सब लोग ट्रस्ट किया मेरे ऊपर कि तू जाके मार सकती है, तो आई थिंक वो बहुत हेल्प किया मुझे।
पूरा ट्रस्ट है पूरे देश को और रहेगा। ऋचा घोष, जाइए इस पल को जीजिए अपनी टीम के साथ। We'll go across to Cass Naidoo, who's got a very, very special member of this team alongside her.
Jackie, thank you so much. I certainly do. Pratika Rao, she has been mobbed by these world champions. How does it feel to be here in the middle of absolute greatness?
I can't express enough. There's no words. It's not going to come out of my mouth. This flag on my shoulder, it means a lot to me. And you know, being here with my team, it's just surreal.
I know the injury was unfortunate, but you played a leading role in ensuring that your team got across the line. How special was it for you to be part of this Indian team?
Definitely. I mean, injuries are part and parcel of the game. I'm very happy that I was a part of this team, this winning team. You know, this team, I just love this team. I can't express my feelings towards this team. So I'm very happy that we actually made it. And we're the first team who has won the World Cup in so long, and the whole India deserves this.
The fans have come out to support this atmosphere at the stadium. What was it like watching your team create history?
To be very honest, it was very difficult for me to sit out and watch the match because it's actually very difficult. It's very easy to play inside rather than watching from the outside. But seeing this energy, seeing this environment, it gave me goosebumps. Whenever there was a wicket, whenever there was a sixer, the energy was. Congratulations! You can see the energy. I mean, it's amazing. It's genuinely amazing.
I'm going to let Pratika get back to the celebrations of the team. Let's head back to Japin.
Yes, our opening partner Smriti Mandhana has been telling me, come on, let's get started with that, because here is someone who's actually called it her superpower that she does not get emotional, but maybe not tonight. Smriti, take your time. Take your time. This has taken a long time coming. Smriti Mandhana, you are a world champion. How does that sound?
Well, I mean, I don't know how do I react to that. Still sinking in. As you said, I haven't been emotional on a cricket field, but yeah, I mean, just a very unreal moment, home World Cup, and yeah, I mean, just to read the champions India, I mean, I just can't. I'm still not able to process it.
There is the essence of this moment. This is cricket's history that has secured the future of women's cricket for decades to follow. The macro picture of this World Cup win, what does that mean to you, Smriti Mandhana? You've been trying this for over a decade.
Yeah, I mean, every World Cup we go in and there have been so many heartbreaks for all of us. But yeah, I mean, we always believe that we have a bigger responsibility with women's cricket, and genuinely just to see the support we've got over the last 1.5 months, and to see people come in, support us. I mean, I don't know how do I explain the last 40 days, but yeah, I mean, to do the World Cup win today, I mean, I will take that 45 days of not sleeping every night.
But just quickly tell me, after the exit from the 2014-20 World Cup, when we didn't even qualify for the knockouts, you told me you had a very honest conversation with yourself. What was different as part of the campaign? What did the team do differently to make sure this time the result went India's way as well?
Yeah, I mean, the last T20 World Cup for sure was a difficult one for all of us to take. But yeah, I mean, we had a clear focus on really, trying to work on our fitness, trying to be better at each and every aspect. But yeah, I mean, the super strength of this team is no one will talk about it, but it's the way everyone's just stuck in and just play for each other. I mean, that's a very
I mean, I don't know, in a World Cup like this, you just need everyone's support. Everyone was there for each other, good days, bad days. We enjoyed each other's success. I mean, I just can't tell you the way the team environment is, and I think that's really magic.
Smriti, enjoy this moment. We will chat later. Let's see, maybe Amol Mazumdar can give us more. There they come. There they come. They're going to take her away. Cass Naidu, over to you.
I've got India's victorious coach alongside me. He said he doesn't think he can even speak, but coach, what a campaign. You must be so proud of the girls.
Absolutely proud. There's no doubt about it. I don't know, it's not yet sink in, but it's an unbelievable achievement by all the girls, and they deserve every credit. They deserve everything that will follow from here because they've worked terribly hard. I know for a fact that they've done every Indian proud actually.
Couple of losing games and then you got the campaign back on track. What did it take for your team to get back on track and get yourself into the final?
Well, we didn't look at those losses as losses. We just thought that we just couldn't get over the line. That's about it. We dominated a lot of, in those games we dominated majority of those matches. So we didn't look at those as losses. We just thought that there are some hiccups in the campaign, but we were still alive in the tournament, and here we are. On 2nd November 2025, World Champions.
Third World Cup final. You get the maiden ODI World Cup title for India. What will this do for girls and women's cricket in this country?
Well, I don't know. I really don't know. But I'm sure as I said, they deserve everything what will follow from here on. And I know for a fact that they've worked extremely hard for this. And I think it's a watershed moment for Indian cricket, I guess.
A word for Shefali Verma. We knew she could do it with the bat, the golden arm. Shefali turning it on in the World Cup final.
One word: magical. Absolute magical. Turns up in the semi-finals, no pressure. In the finals, in front of a home crowd, packed stadium. Turns up a blinder of an innings and then picks up a few wickets with the ball. So absolutely magical.
Fantastic fielding effort as well. In a World Cup final, you've got to get the basics right. Great fielding, fantastic catching. You couldn't be prouder, I'm sure, of that effort in the field.
Absolutely. I mean, there was one thing that we spoke a lot in the dressing room in the last 2 years, that fielding and fitness was something that we really spoke about and we focused on it. And here we are. I mean, they just turned it up on this day in the World Cup final. I couldn't have asked for more.
Congratulations. I'm going to let you get back to celebrations. The victorious Indian coach alongside me. Let's head back to Jati.
इतिहास के सुनहरे पन्नों में स्वर्णिम अक्षरों से लिखा जाएगा इस टीम के हर खिलाड़ी का नाम। कुछ ऐसा ही तो किया है काम। आप हमारा गुरूर भी हैं और आप हैं हमारा अभिमान। We are the world champions and cricket will never be the same again.